Greetings to all. Myself Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to see about the NIST Cloud Computing Reference Architecture in Cloud Computing and its applications. This is the reference diagram of the NIST architecture model. Here we have 5 main actors. First one will be the cloud consumer, cloud auditor, cloud provider, cloud broker, and then cloud carrier. These 5 actors are the major roles in an NIST architecture. Here we have some problem statement, that is university wants to move its learning management system, that is LMS, to the cloud, but it is confused about selecting the right cloud provider and pricing option. So they need to secure the connectivity for the students and the staff. This is the problem statement. The solution for the problem statement will be the NIST cloud computing referent architecture. Here we take it as a DT based solution. In DT based, we have a 5 types, that one: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. In empathize stage, we have to that LMS migration and the security concern happens. And then second stage, that is define stage, it will be need to secure and the cost effectivity cloud choices. Third stage is the ideate stage. Here we have to compare the providers and the pricing models. Fourth type is the prototype model. Here we have to secure the cloud LMS setup. And then fifth stage will be the testing stage. Here we have to access and then cost and performance validation happens. So next we are going to see the detailed notes of the NIST cloud reference architecture. NIST, that is National Institute of Standards and Technology. The architecture model was developed by NIST. It defines the components, roles, and then interactions. It supports the secure and interoperable cloud services, and it helps the organization that manage the cloud responsibly and effectively. And then this is the objective of the NIST model. The objective will be, it will understand the roles and responsibility, and it will establish the common technology, and it will standardize the service delivery and management, and it will improve the cloud governance and security planning. And then we have the key components. In key components, cloud computing ecosystem have a 3 major key components, that is actors, service models, and deployment models. First one will be the actors, that is a cloud consumer, cloud provider, broker, auditor, and carrier. Here we are going to see about the actors of the cloud computing. That is here 5 major actors. First, cloud consumer, it utilizes the cloud services for the various needs. And then in cloud provider, it offers a reliable and available cloud services. Third one will be the cloud broker. It facilitates the relationship between the consumer and the provider. Fourth one will be the cloud auditor. It ensures the compliance and the security in the cloud. Fifth one will be the cloud carrier. It delivers the services from the provider to consumer. First one, cloud consumer. Here we use as a cloud services, that is application, storage, and then infrastructure, and it will access through the web portals, application program interfaces, and then mobile. The real-time example will be the Google Drive users and virtual machine users in the AWS. Second one will be the cloud provider. It is responsible for the cloud service delivery. Here we have a 3, that is IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. That is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. It manages the resources, security, billing, and monitoring. The real-time example will be the AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Third one will be the cloud broker. It acts as an intermediary between the cloud consumer and the provider. The function will be the service intermediation, service aggregation, and it will add the values and negotiate the contracts. Fourth one will be cloud auditor. It performs the security audits, privacy checks, compliance validation. It ensures the SLA, that is service level agreement adherence, and it is an independent party. Cloud carrier, that is a fifth actor. It provides a network and connectivity channels, internet, VPN, telecom networks, and it is responsible for the data transmission security. And then, as we seen earlier, we have a three service model, that is infrastructure layer, platform layer, and application layer. Infrastructure layer, it gives the user virtual hardware instead of physical machines. In platform layer, it develops that application layer. It will, here we have a simple use. There is no installation. The example will be the Google Classroom. And we have some assessment question. We have to find that role. First one, it provides a cloud services such as IaaS, PaaS, or SaaS to the users. The answer will be the cloud provider. Like this, we have four different questions. Thank you.